Hello friends, this is Team DataCop. Now I'm here to explain our emergency alert system, and we have made two Android applications. One for the police and the responders to an emergency situation, and another one, uh, the alert app, which the general public, the user will use to alert the uh, law enforcement agencies. So let's first go to our user app. Here is the login, the sign up page. So you need to enter your name, address, blood group, and the two emergency numbers uh, who you want to contact in case of emergency. So what this does is that it sends messages to all these emergency contacts, and also messages to the nearest police station, and SMN messages, alert messages to the policeman who is within the range of 500 meters, or who is within, nearest to your geolocation. So let's move on to our next page. Let's log into it. So here we have made two emergency uh, methodologies that we follow. First, the calling feature, where when you press the call button, it calls the nearest police station according to your geolocation. So once we get the complete data of phone numbers of every police station, we can integrate this with the app, and whenever user presses call button, it will call the nearest police station according to user's geolocation. And in the case of alert app, so this is an offline app, so you need internet to download the app, but you don't need internet to run the app. So because there are places in the country where there is very less of internet connectivity, there are network issues, there are a lot of problems, and in cases of emergency you can't you can't deal with we can't wait for internet. So well, what we did is we made this app completely offline. So when user presses the alert app, the alert button, uh, the messages get sent to the two emergency contacts that user has input has put in the at the starting, at the sign up, and it goes to the nearest police station according to user's geolocation, and also it goes to the nearest policeman, the who has installed the police app on his phone, on his mobile phone. And using only offline feature, user doesn't need any online features. User can the policeman can find your geolocation, your name, your address, and the emergency contacts, and every detail about you. So now let me explain to you that I've shown you earlier our DataCop platform, data analytics platform. So we have also uh, integrated this platform with with our uh, our mobile app also. So user can view our data analytics, complete data analytics platform here. And I guess internet is slow, that's why it's running. So let's move on to our second app, where which shows how the police will get the user's information, or the case of information. So what we've done here is, uh, the policeman will need to put in his mobile number, and I guess a unique login ID, which is given to every police number as an ID, a belt number, or some unique ID that is given to a policeman. And then the OTP will be sent to his mobile number, and that ID will be registered in his name. So this makes makes it secure for only policemen to be able to use this app, because there are some unscrupulous people who can use this app in bad faith. So we made this system. So for current trial purposes, what we've done is we've added a skip button so that you can skip the login system right now. So let's go into, so for as you can see that Mohit has sent an alert, which we saw earlier. So this alert comes as detail in here, and user can then the policeman can touch on the detail, and it will show you the exact location of the person who has put the who's touched the alert button, and it will show you the hybrid map, the satellite map, and all these maps. So this gives you a very accurate location, and this does not require any internet. So this complete system is offline based. So you can get the geolocation, exact geolocation, latitude and longitudes, but you don't need internet for it. You just need, you may need to download this. You may need internet to download these images, but you don't need internet to find this exact location. So let's go back to our homepage and here. So you can also, we've added feature in this app that of heat map. So as the users will start using this app more and more, what will happen is that the data will be collected in the Firebase. So when the data will be collected in the Firebase, so then you can do monthly analytics of understanding in what part of the state, in what part of your police district, in what part of your region most of this alert app or most of this crime happen. So this kind of feature is very helpful. So you can see here that we've made four alert apps. So you can see in what places this alert app has been pushed. So we've made four samples. So you can see in wherever there are more dropped pins, the crime or the alert app is being used much and more. So whenever the user uses the app, this data gets stored, and through this data, government can see in what places, in what areas most of the crime happen. So this is a good feature that we think will be on which you can research more, work on more in the future. So let's go back to our homepage, and I believe this completes our demonstration of both the apps, the DataHack Police app, as well as our DataCap. This completes our demo for both these apps. So thank you very much.